up here. Whoa.
I do the same thing the white man does. Because the white man has one feeling. He has a free heart. A white man can have 10 kilos of a crack cocaine in his trunk, and you ain't served 2 nights a day, night a day. If that man Saturday get 2 ounces of weed, he gets 15 years in prison. That's a double standard, man. That's what it is. You gotta wake the hell up, man.
And give that powerful brother a hand. You think America's gonna last forever, huh? America is gonna live forever with all the blood on their hands, all the murder, all the rape. It's just gonna be an everlasting kingdom, huh? That's what they think will come. It's just gonna be all sunshine and rainbows. But for all the crimes you've done, no one's gonna see you about it, huh? God's gonna see you about it. God is going to dethrone America. The economy is about to collapse. I know you don't believe it. Famines are coming to America. I know you don't believe it. The pestilences are coming to America. You see the COVID-19 came through and murdered every goddamn thing in its sight. The monkeypox. God is judging America. God is judging you white oppressors. Why do you think that is? For the rape, murder, and destruction you've done to his people. Because you established weakness. Because you know how black people and Hispanic people learn to be whores and learn how to love whores? But white people, look up the ancient Romans and the Greeks. They are famous for having orgies, for having sex with each other's women. The Spartans, the 300, the masculine of the masculine. Guess what they did? Having sex with each other. They was having sex with little boys. Child molesters. We're going to pay for it. I know you don't believe it, but it's going to happen. You want to ride? Because black people, you can't be whores. You know who the best drug dealer to ever exist? Ronald Reagan. Oh, good. He spent 1 day in a jail cell. But Paul El Chapo ran all the drugs from here to alone. He said his life will never see the light of day again.
Person out there.
The Ronald Reagan, the one who kicked off the drug war, they're gang members. And because of that, God's going to judge America. We're not just for Easter, for Christianity, for Catholicism, for slaughtering his people. Where's the Native American Indians at right now? I want somebody to answer me that. Where are they at? Come on, where are all the scholars at? No one passed? No one got a GED out here? Come on, you ain't got the strength and the soul to tell me what the goddamn Native Americans are? I'll tell you what it is. The goddamn concentration camp.